preview the HDRP, the forest demo. Just wanted to see how this goes. Let me hit the play button. It looks really pretty. I like the colors. It looks very real, actually. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, nice. Does that look peaceful? Let's see. Wait, try to not run into the tree. Let me try to walk. Oh, let me look at this deer over here. Oh, looks like he's having a good time in the water in the stream that's running there. Oh, look at the rocks. I love these plants. It's beautiful. Let's go and explore. Beautiful. See a horse and a buggy. Very, very nice. I'm using Unity 6.0 in this one. HDRP. This is just really, really beautiful. So the mossy water, because we're deeper in the forest. Very nice. Well, the end of the road here. Let me go back and go to a different path. Hansel and Gretel woods here. I love walking in the woods myself. I love the different seasons. This is beautiful. Looks so real. jump. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Like a gift that just keeps giving. I love water. There's another bridge down there. I think we're just getting into the hillside here. Wow. Well, let me continue on the path. See where it brings us. Now, this is their demo scene. As you can tell, very, very nice. It's like we reached another end of the path, but however, look at that. There's another path down here. So let me go ahead and cheat and go down this path. Let's see what happens. Oh, I love the tree stumps. Love it. Oh, I think I saw a bird. Didn't know they had any birds in here. Nice. Oh, look at the river. Oh, I can look at that all day long, literally. Oh, back on the path. Okay, let me try to go back up here. I can get back on the path. Oh, I get lost. This is really cool. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is nice. Look at that. You have the water in it. This is so nice. I wish I had the patience to do something like this, but unfortunately, I don't have the patience. I wish I did. I could probably create some really nice things. I'm trying to get to the waterfall that they have. They have a waterfall in here that I saw earlier. I think it's on the other side. Looks like it's going to go this side, so let's go this side. I can get over here. I'm gonna cheat a little bit. Go through the water. I can jump. Ah, there we go. Gently jump. Ah, the water's getting faster. I think we're getting near. Go into the water a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna be swimming. Now we're swimmers. Oh, there it is. That's kind of like the waterfall that they have. Isn't that? I like. Look at that. Look at the roots they have in the ground. This is absolutely wonderful. Oh, I feel like I'm there. Oh, tell me, is that not gorgeous? The gift that just keeps giving. Beautiful. I could just sit there for hours and watch something like that. Isn't that beautiful? And then look at the waterfall. We have another waterfall up there. Let's go explore. If I can get up there. Hold on, let me try. Ah! I feel like I'm actually going through it. Oh, beautiful. Oh, lovely. Isn't this a nice demo? I can go on the bridge here. I can see the mouth of the water. Glossy rock, which is great. Glossy rock because it's by the water. Ah, I can do it. I know computer. I'm sorry. Oh, I just want you to go on. Nope. You're not gonna let me do it, are you? Oh, this is good. Oh, Gilligan Fire. Beautiful. I don't know. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking into my look at this and my goodness, he's doing pretty darn good. Anyway, I hope everyone has a great